In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to HubSpot CRM. Connecting your inbox to HubSpot lets you send emails directly from the CRM, automatically log conversations on contact records, and keep everything in one place without manual copy and paste. Let's walk through it step by step so you can get it set up smoothly. First, sign in to your HubSpot account and head to the settings area. You'll find the settings gear icon in the main navigation bar. Click that to open your account settings. If you manage multiple hubs or have different permissions, make sure you're in the correct account before you proceed. Inside settings, look for the email option in your user preferences. This is where you control how your personal email connects to HubSpot. If you don't see the email section, you may not have the right permissions, so reach out to your admin for access before continuing. Next, choose Connect Personal Email. This is the right choice if you're planning to send one-to-one emails from the CRM and have those messages log on contact timelines. If you were trying to connect a shared or team address like a support or sales queue, that would be handled elsewhere as a team inbox. But for now, we're focusing on a personal mailbox connection. From there, select Connect Your Inbox. This begins the secure connection between HubSpot and your email provider. HubSpot supports major providers like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and others via standard protocols, so most business mailboxes will work without extra configuration. If you use a company-managed account, it's a good idea to confirm with your IT team that mailbox connections to CRMs are allowed. Now, enter your email address. Use the primary work email you'll use for outreach and follow-ups. Double check for typos here. Accuracy matters because HubSpot uses this address to identify the correct provider and route the connection. If your company uses aliases, connect the mailbox you actually send from day to day. Once your email address is in, click Next. At this point, HubSpot will guide you through any provider-specific prompts. If a window doesn't appear, temporarily disable pop-up blockers and try again. Keep your phone handy in case your provider asks for a multi-factor authentication. If you're on a VPN or a strict network, you may need to pause it briefly or ask it to allow the connection. That's it for the setup flow in HubSpot. After you've completed the on-screen prompts, you'll be able to compose emails from contact records, log and track conversations, and keep your CRM data clean and up to date. If anything doesn't look right, revisit the email settings to review your connection status. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with HubSpot.